Today we will be solving question number 9 in the CKA practice exam. The question says to SSH into master node, temporarily stop the kube scheduler. This means in a way that you can start it again afterwards. Create a single pod name manual schedule of image HTTPD 2.4 Alpine. Confirm it started but not scheduled on any node. So let's SSH into the cluster. Get nodes. I'm running a kind Kubernetes cluster. Docker exec -it bin bash. Okay, now let's stop the queue scheduler. Which we will do is move etc kubernetes manifest files, and we'll look for kube scheduler. We'll move it to the current directory, and here it is. Now let's check, and we can see we don't have the kube scheduler here. Now let's go to the second part. Create a single pod, name manual schedule, kubectl run manual schedule dash image of HTTPD 2.4 Alpine. Let's see, created kubectl get all, and we'll see that it is in the pending state because the scheduler is it could not find the scheduler. Okay, now the schedule, now you're the scheduler and you have all the power. Manually schedule the pod on node 2 cluster 2 master 1. Make sure it's running. What we'll do is that kubectl delete, we'll delete this pod and recreate this pod again, but this time we'll also do a try run client -o YAML, and we'll just save it with the name of manual schedule .yml. Let's go to Vim and open manual schedule. Here we'll add node name with kind control plane. Save and quit. We'll apply this kubectl apply -f kubectl get all, and we can see that the manual schedule is running. Let me reconfirm that there is no scheduler. Kubectl get all -a, and as we can see we cannot find kube scheduler in the kube system namespace. We have made sure that it's running. Now start the kube scheduler again and confirm it's running correctly by creating a second pod. Let's start this. What we'll do is we'll move the kube scheduler which we have here to etc/kubernetes/manifests. Let's check that we don't have the kube scheduler YAML file here, and we don't have it. Now let's check that the kube scheduler is up and running again in the kube system namespace as a static pod, and it is running kube scheduler kind control plane. It is running as a static pod. Okay, now the last thing is that we have to create a second pod name of kubectl run manual scheduler 2 with the image of HTTPD 2.4 Alpine. image of HTTP 2.4 Alpine, and that's about it. Let's see, created kubectl get all, and we can see that the kubescheduler manual scheduler 2 is in the running state 5 seconds ago. So that's about it. Thank you for joining.